Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Pocket TTS Batch Voice Cloner app. This voice you are hearing is generated using this app. First we are going to clone this GitHub repo. It runs on CPU and you need to have UVPython installed in command line. This command installs all required dependencies. I am going to use my own voice example. You can also use your voice to clone. Now run the app. You can edit input TXT according to this format for it to work time, location, and text for speech generation. Wait for me to edit this file. Click Start Generation to generate all audio files. Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Pocket TTS Batch Voice Cloner app. Bye bye, thank you for watching. The audios generated are inserted to this video. This audio is also generated using this app. Bye bye, thank you for watching. You can contact me using my email.